In 1999, the Lamborghini Diablo was given a minor exterior update that replaced the retractable headlights with fixed lights. In the Geneva Motor Show of the same year, the ultimate road-going limited version of the Diablo GT was announced. The Diablo GT is based on the Diablo GT2, a pure racing car developed for the FIA-GT championships that was detuned and modified for street driving. The 6 LV12 based on the Diablo GT2 engine produces 567 bhp and 64.3 kgfm torque. On the outside, many of the outer panels were replaced with carbon fiber, reducing its weight by 40 kilograms from the Diablo SV at the time, down to 1,490 kilograms. It showed superb performance, with its top speed reaching 337 kilometers per hour. It was also given a special bumper spoiler to contain a larger water cooler, and air outlets were added to the hood for discharging the heat from this cooler. All of these changes came from the experience gained in the Diablo GT2, in other words, everything different about this model came straight from the racing circuit. There were only 80 cars produced, and the 80th car is displayed in the Lamborghini Museum at their headquarters. Being the ultimate Diablo, it still captures the hearts of Diablo fans everywhere.